It's great to be here. It's excellent turnout here at SEMA. We're the Hot Rod Industry Alliance here tonight. I hope that each one of us takes a few moments this week to think about some of the blessings that we have. We're all so fortunate to live in a time and a country that allows us to chase our dreams and do the things that we all love to do. The HRIA reception, this is one of my favorite events, the SEMA Show. This brings people together. It gives you a chance to visit with some of your friends, some of the customers and everything in a little more relaxed atmosphere. So man, I look forward to this event every year.
It's a party. It's fun. We're hanging out, we're meeting folks, we're having dinner, we're having drinks. But it's really a celebration of what is going on in the hot rod world.
When we first started coming to SEMA 30 years ago, we started at this very banquet, and it was nice to find a group of people that shared a common passion and vision.
We've got a great group of people here tonight, people that are proud of what they're doing, how they contribute to the industry.
I think the reception tonight was really cool. Tim did a great job emceeing it, and it was really neat to see the appreciation of the leaders and heroes of our industry.
And if it wasn't for HRA, I literally wouldn't be standing here where I am today. It's given me all of my employees, all of my friends, who I call my true friends today, and the opportunity to grow my company. Honestly, HRA has always given me more than I've given back, and I hope through the years I can give more back to them.